Thank you for logging in to designbuddy.net, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this bottom left hand corner page turn up. And let's go ahead and get started. And as you can see that we have our layer, which here is it's a background layer and it is locked. Go ahead and double click that, make that layer 0, click OK, and we're going to need an extra layer, so let's go ahead and make a new layer. We'll drag that down to the bottom underneath our image, and we're going to fill that with white. And the trick for that is, as you can see, that our background color is white and our foreground is black, so the foreground color black is to the front and the background color white is to the back. And you can do that by pushing Control backspace, or on the Mac I believe it would be Command Delete. Go ahead and select our image. And I like to use the guide rulers here. We'll make a nice clean square when we go to use our selection tool. So as we see there, we have our clicker selection tool. Go ahead and make our square. And then we're going to use our gradient tool here, again making sure that we have our default colors as black and white. Click that. Go from the bottom left corner all the way up close to his chin, and that made a nice gradient there, white to almost a grayish, but it's actually black. And we're going to go ahead and deselect that by pushing Control D on the Windows or Command D on the Mac. And then let's go ahead and hit our selection tool here, double click on that. And then we're going to go to Edit, Transform, Warp. And as you can see, that put a warp grid across our image. Then we're going to go down to our bottom left hand corner to where you can see this square here. And then we're going to go ahead and just turn that up. That's about right. Go ahead and accept that by clicking our check mark at the top of our bar. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that our image is selected, of course, and we're going to really pay attention to underneath this image, down around the page turn area, because then we're going to go ahead and put a style on that layer style. So we'll go ahead and use our add layer style, click drop shadow, and you can see that already kind of put a little bit of a light shadow underneath there. And we're going to go ahead, and I like to use anti-alias. Put size, I usually take that to about, let's do that at about 75. 75 pixels. And distance is about right. I mean, don't want to over exaggerate that too much. But let's go ahead and just take that down to about 1 pixel. Of course, sprite is 0. And go ahead and click that to normal. And there you have it, a page turn. And if you have any other questions, we'd love to hear your comments or compliments. And please use the form at the bottom of this page. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.